What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt, and in this video I'm going to go over the successful solution method. Now this is the members area, getting started. So about this program, it's pretty much all you have to do is to get paid, you have to complete simple daily tasks, and that includes like Facebook engagement and other stuff as well. Now, the first step is you have to join our Facebook community. So join the group. You have to register as an affiliate. The next step is pretty much get started and start earning your commissions. Now, to do that, you have to claim a traffic package. Now, with these leads, these are warm leads that are already interested in joining a home business, unlike other traffic sources like solo ads and stuff like that. That's either bot traffic or cold traffic that's been used up um, time and time again. Now, step 5 is you're going to meet with your success coach to help you set everything up, make sure everything's good to go. You're going to join our Telegram group, and to do that, you have to download the app. And then what I'm going to do is go over to my back office, and so far with this company I've earned $100, and that's just within 2 weeks of joining the company. Other companies I've joined, I've either made commission within 6 months to a year. I haven't earned anything. Like I said, with this, just by simply completing the daily tasks and buying buyer traffic, you'll get results quicker than joining other affiliate programs. Now, we're going to go to the Facebook group, and we're going to show you different people having success with the company. So this is one of the members here, and she's already earned time and time again with the company. This was just yesterday, and she earned $500 in one day, just like I said, completing simple online tasks. Right now, if you go down the list, have my mentor and sponsor here, Terry Hawkins. He made another $200. He put here in the caption, cash flow heaven. So he's earning daily with this already. So that's $200 in one day for him. Right, we have a member that upgraded, and he's ready to order leads, setting up Facebook. That's what he posted. See, yesterday. More people posting in this active group. All right. More proof that more people are earning with this system. Monica earned another $250. This was an hour ago, and she made another $250. And the day it's only barely 11:30. All right. And then we have another member here that she earned another $50. Right. So more and more people are earning with this opportunity. Let's go down the list. One of our members is earning $50 with this program. So she received her first payout, and it's only see there. Here's more proof. She posts it's been only 5 days of joining SM, and here I'm already showing results. It's the fastest payout I've earned from any program, and I look forward to even more. So there's your proof right there. She just joined the program within 5 days, and bam, earned $50. All right. Here's Mary Beth again. So even last week she earned $500. So you could earn up to $500 to $1,000 a week with this program. All right. So no experience needed, no recruiting. All you have to do is follow the directions and complete simple tasks. All right. We have another member, or same Same person, Monica, she earned $150. Right, let me go back up here. $150 and another $50 earned with the program. Right. Karen Johnson, she made $150 with the program. Now, if you want to get started or you're interested, just click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.